Hello everybody. So this is just a follow-up video for the last video that I did on the Peerless Virgin Hair on AliExpress. And this is the review on the Peruvian body wave hair. So I did the installation. As you can see, as you know, if you watched the last video, it has all the specs from the hair. I got a 22, 24, 26 inch bundles in the body wave. And just to clear things up, this hair, it doesn't have a wave. Once I washed it, in the previous video, you saw that it had a nice, you know, that S pattern. Once I washed it, completely straight. So, the 22 inch, my shortest bundle, did keep like a very slight wave. Everything else, completely straight. So, this is not the type of hair, if you were looking for like a wet and go wavy style, that's not it. However, this hair is amazing. It's beautiful hair. I don't even like middle parts, but in my head I envisioned this beautiful Kim K type of style, so that's what I was going for. So basically I did it in my regular old quick weave method. I got this look with these curls. I did some flexi rods overnight. I did a dry flexi rod set, so I didn't use any mousse or product or anything. I just did a dry flexi rod set, and I got these curls with no heat, and it looks really good. This hair has such a beautiful sheen and luster. I just love it completely. Like I said in my last video, and I'm sorry, a lot of you comment on the fact that like I sound out of breath when I'm talking. I don't know why, I just do. I'm sorry. But okay, so in my last video I had commented on the fact that this hair came in a really nice dark black color. I love that because the sheen is just beautiful. It's just gorgeous hair. It just flows. It acts right. It has such a good density. Like, it has a lot of weight to it. The bundles were like thick throughout. No skimpiness. The ends weren't skimpy. It's beautiful, full, luscious hair. So this is just the installation right now. And I'm sorry, I don't have any earrings on, so I look kind of horrible, but I love this hair. It holds a great curl. Like I said, this is a dry flexi rod set, so no product, no mousse. It was just me flexi rodding the hair, and I got this beautiful, beautiful heatless style. It lays down. It's not frizzy. Easy to comb through. Like this hair, no fuss, no complaints. Sorry, I'm looking this way. This is where my mirror is, so I'm just making sure, you know, I'm looking good for y'all. But this is the installation video. Beautiful hair, no shedding, no tangling. Usually when I wrap it at night, I just put in some flexi rods and a bonnet. I use some Hicks edge control for my edges, and those are laid, honey. And I hate middle parts. I hate middle parts so much. I don't know why I did it, because I usually don't like it on myself, but I really think this middle part came out really good because I usually do side parts, so that was good. So I just washed the hair with some conditioner that I got from the dollar store, and it did perfect on the hair. Like I said, it's so shiny. I have not put any product up there. Actually, yes, I did. I sprayed a little bit of holding hairspray for the curls, but that's it. No other product, no shining products, just edge control and a brush and a comb. I don't use anything else on this hair, and it looks so good. So I had it in about a week now. Not a week. Yeah, a week. Maybe, because I did the initial review about a week ago. So yeah, I had it in a week now, and it's looking good. I get a lot of compliments. It blows, flows, slays for the gods in the wind. It's really pretty, so I'm expecting great things from this hair. If you need any more information, you could just leave it down below. I'll get back to you. And yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to show you guys the installation and how good this hair looks. Like, what's your last name? Boo Kardashian? Okay guys, so that's it for this style right here. I will be back with updates and stuff on the hair and doing a few videos on the hair, so stay tuned for those. Any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you guys later.